Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where winds meet game not launching or not opening or not starting error on Android devices. So let's go through the methods. So the before you go to the solutions, you are suggested to check the system requirements to play the game on your phone. Here I am showing you the requirements. Make sure your device have all the required specs and then try to launch the game. So the very first method is to restart your device once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and now select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now check if the crashing issue is resolved or not. If not, then you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and here you can see force stop. Click on this and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve, you are suggested to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and then try to launch the game and check. If you still face the issue, you are suggested to check your internet connection. If there is any internet connection fluctuating or so, you are suggested to move to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi or do vice versa. And after doing some changes on the internet connection, check if the game is launching or not. If not, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store and in the search bar you have to, in the search option here, you have to search for where winds meet game, and after that here you have to check if there is any update available. Update your app to the latest version and then check whether you can play the game. If not, if you cannot launch the game or so, then you are suggested to try any VPN services. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option here you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. You can install any of them and after that change the location from where you are current location, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, you are suggested to check if your phone needs any kind of update. For that go to settings. Now here you have to click on system update and then check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. Update your phone OS to the latest version and then try to launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve, you are suggested to check if your phone have enough space. For that, go to settings and then after that go to RAM and storage, and here you have to check if there is any storage problem or so. If yes, you are suggested to delete some unused apps or games or data, and after that try to launch the game and check. If after trying everything the same issue occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete and then click on uninstall. Once done, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then install the game and then try to play it and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.